Good morning, everyone. How are you, students? Completed the homework? Okay. So, do you remember which topic we have discussed in the previous class? Which one? Interest on debenture, and there we have learned how to use the TDS. Okay? TDS was there. What is TDS? Those who are absent. TDS is tax deducted at source. Interest is expenses for the company which it is paying on the debentures. So interest on debenture account debit, the entry I am telling you. Interest on debenture account debit to, first we due to the debenture holder, to debenture holder, alright, and then we make the payment, debenture holder account debit to bank, fine. And if we are using the TDS, so interest on debenture account debit to debenture holder and then to TDS. The expenses of the company will be the exactly same, interest on debentures and expenses for the company, and out of this there will be some percentage, 10%, 5%, whatever is given in the question. So that percentage will be payable as TDS, fine. So interest on debenture account debit to debenture holder to TDS payable, alright, and in the next entry we make the payment, debenture holder account debit, TDS payable account debit to bank. These all things we have done in the previous class. This we have revised for one, alright. So today we will start our next and last topic of this chapter, which is very important, that is writing of discount or loss on issue of debenture. Students, till last year the treatment was different, and this year onwards the treatment has changed. So you don't have to know what was the treatment, okay. So do you know what is loss on issue of debenture and discount on issue of debenture? Are you aware of these terms? Yes. How comes the discount on issue of debenture when it arises? Any one of you? When discount on issue of debenture, when it arises. Its name is telling itself. You have done it. I have taught you many times. Yes. When you issue the debentures at discount. Okay. So this will be debited. Discount on issue of debenture account will be debited. Alright. And when loss on issue of debenture arises? When your debentures are redeemed at premium. Alright. And you know that we keep both the things in the same account. When you issue the debentures at discount and you redeem the debentures at premium, the whole amount we can keep in the loss on issue of debenture. Do you remember now? We have revised these things. In fact, we have done it already. Alright? So, Companies Act says that you have to write off this discount and loss on issue of debenture in the year itself when you have issued. Did you get my point? The year when you have issued these debentures, you have to write off this. Write off means isko cancel kar dena in the simple language, in layman's language, that discount on issue of debenture and loss on issue of debenture you have to cancel in that year only. How? From where? These are the capital losses, so you have to use the capital gain for this. Either from the security premium reserve, as we have mentioned already in section 52, I've taught you in the chapter of share also, issue of share mein padha tha, okay. So this can be written off from security premium reserve, this can be written off from general reserve, okay. And if it is not sufficient, the balance is not sufficient, then we can use the statement of P&L. We have to write from the profits of the year. I mean, we show it in the statement of P&L. Sometimes companies not having the profit even, so that will be shown as a loss in the company. Have you understood something? So what I have told you, yes, any one of you? What I have told you? Any one of you, can you tell me? Discount on issue of debenture or loss on issue of debenture will be written off in the year when it has issued. From where it will be redeemed? This will be written off. This will be written off from security premium reserve, general reserve, otherwise from statement of P&L. Is that clear? Okay. Let's start the question. So you will understand it. So illustration number 35. On 1st April 2019, Amro Limited issued 10,009% debentures of ₹100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable at par after 5 years. Right? Now you know the entries. This is redeeming at par. That means the simple entry will be there. The issue price is payable along with the application. Okay. The debentures were subscribed. It has a balance of ₹1,75,000 in security premium reserve. Pass the journal entry for issue of debentures and writing of the discount and prepare discount on issue of debenture account. Although the question is very simple, but okay, one question I'm taking for you, and later on I'll tell you the entries of the writing of only. So here it's telling that issuing the 10,000 debenture of ₹100 each at 10% discount. So the face value is 100. 10% discount कितना हो जाएगा? This is 10 rupees. So you reduce 10 rupees. How much you are going to receive on your application and allotment? He is receiving the whole amount together. So you are going to receive how much? 90 rupees per debenture. Okay. So bank account debit. What number of debentures? 10,000 into 90. What you are receiving? 9 lakh you are receiving. Bank account debit to debenture application. Sachin, have a look. Okay. Now second entry, we transfer this application, debenture application to debenture. Debenture application account will be debited exactly with the same amount by which it has credited. This is 9 lakh. Okay. 2. What comes? What is the name of the debenture? Which percentage? 2, 9% debenture. What comes here? What comes? Face value. What is the face value? Regarding 10,000 debenture, the face value is 100. Okay. So what comes? 10 lakh. Fine. Now we are issuing a discount. Discount is your loss, so that will be debited. This is discount on issue of debenture account debited by 1 lakh rupees. 10,000 into 10 rupees is 1 lakh. Alright. Now it's telling that we have a balance of ₹1,75,000 in security premium reserve. Is this clear? And how much we have a discount on issue of debenture? It is 1 lakh only. So I can take out 1 lakh rupees from security premium reserve. Yes. Although I'm having the balance 1,75,000, but I need only, how much I need? 1 lakh. So I'll take it out. And security premium reserve is having debit balance or credit balance? Credit balance. If I take something from the credit, then what I have to do? I have to debit. Okay. So security premium reserve account debit to, you are transferring this amount to, or what you are writing off? Discount on issue of debenture. How much? 1 lakh. Have you understood this? Is that clear to everyone? Okay. So I'll be taking all these, and if there will be something new, I will be explaining. So let's talk about the next illustration. Everyone just turn over the page and have a look. So here it is telling, it's very simple, you have done it many times. Chrome Limited took over assets. They have purchased the business, like assets and liability they have taken. You can find out this goodwill balancing figure, you have taken it out. Now the purchase consideration which you have to pay, that is how much? 6,30,000. Ajay, where are you? Sure? Yes, everyone, be present in the class. So how much purchase consideration it has to pay? 6,30,000. So it is telling that he has issued the debentures, 10% debenture of ₹100 each at 10% discount. We know it how to do it. All right. The amount which we have to, the amount which we have to pay, that will be divided by 90. So that way you can find out number of debentures which you have to issue. Fine. So now what? If you look at the entry, you will find that discount. How much discount is there? Discount on issue of debenture in this illustration. 10%. Amount of discount. Then they have passed the entry. Yes, those who are sitting at home watching the video, you should open illustration number 36. Okay, I'm talking about the amount of discount on issue of debenture only, and you can see here it is 70,000. Yes, everyone, are you getting? Yes. So this is 70,000 discount is there when you pass these entries. Entries I'm not passing because we hundreds of the times we have passed these entries. So 70,000 is the amount. All right. So this 70,000 we have to write off. Now what do we have? The question is silent. It's not telling anything that we have something. They didn't either mention the balance of security premium reserve, general reserve, profit and loss, so and so. But as we are doing these questions, it is mandatory that we have to write off this discount in the year when it occurs. Okay. Now nothing is there. How to write off? Statement of profit and loss account debit to what? Are you with me? To what? When I'm asking, so you have to answer. To discount on issue of debenture. How much? 70,000. So this way we have written off. In this question we don't have security premium reserve, so we have taken a statement of P&L account debit. Have you understood something? Yes? Okay. What I have taught you till now, that which concept I have told you, when you have discount on issue of debenture or loss on issue of debenture. Lavish? All right. So what to do? The year when we have issued these debentures and discount and loss has occurred, so we have to write off. Write off means cancel कर देना. हमें ये कैंसिल करना होगा किस साल? जिस साल आपने इशू किए हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? कहाँ से करेंगे आप कैंसिल? कैंसिल का भी कोई सिस्टम होता है, कोई रूल होता है. सो दे आर टेलिंग इफ यू हैव सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व वी यूज दैट. If you have general reserve, we can use that also. If you don't have these two things, or you can say you have insufficient balance in these accounts, then you use your statement of P&L. ठीक है? तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं दे रखा है. Do we have anything? Nothing. Then what? Statement of P&L. ठीक है? क्रेडिट में आपका प्रॉफिट होता है, डेबिट में आप लॉसेस शो करते हैं. आपको राइट ऑफ करना है तो डिस्काउंट ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर विल बी क्रेडिटेड बिकॉज इट वाज ऑलरेडी डेबिटेड. फाइन. एंड स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड. जहां से आप राइट ऑफ कर रहे हैं वो आप डेबिट करेंगे, जिसको राइट ऑफ कर रहे हैं वो क्रेडिट करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड दैट? कुछ आया समझ में? लेट्स टेक मोर एग्जांपल, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर. ओके. Well, illustration number 38. Yes, illustration number 38. Now I'll be taking, yes please, I'll be taking the entry of writing off only. Is that okay? Yes, because we have learned everything. There is no need to pass the entry of the issue. Okay, I'll be taking the portion of writing off. So illustration 38, you can see that they have issued the debentures 9%, 1009% debenture of rupees 200 each at a discount of 5%, redeemable after 5 years at a premium of 10%. All these debentures were subscribed and allotment was made. The balance in security premium reserve is 10,000. Yes, Lavish? If we pass the entry in illustration number 38, everyone can look. Okay, those who are staying at home, illustration 38, you should look at the entry number 2. So how much loss on issue of debenture has arisen? Here you can see we have issued at discount and redeemable at premium. You know the entries, okay? So 10,000 was your discount and 20,000 was your premium on redemption of debenture. Okay, so how much total is there in loss on issue of debenture? Are you getting my point? So how much loss is there? 30,000. So in this question we have loss on issue of debenture is 30,000 and this is debited of course. Okay. Now we have in the question given the balance in security premium reserve is 10,000. Security premium reserve. We have a balance 10,000. Okay. Now we have to write off. Write off what? What is the rule? Shaheen, what is the rule? What we have to do? We have to write off this loss on issue of debenture in the year itself when we have issued that. Okay. तो इस ईयर के एंड में हमें राइट ऑफ करना है. क्या रूल है कि जिसे हम राइट ऑफ करते हैं, ये पहले डेबिट था ना एंट्री करते हुए, was that debited? So इसको क्या करेंगे अब? क्रेडिट. एंड सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व क्या होता है, डेबिट या क्रेडिट? तो उसको क्या करेंगे? अंडरस्टूड दैट? फाइन. हियर security premium reserve account debited. How much I have in this? 10,000 only. And this is mandatory that I have to write off the whole loss on issue of debenture. I have to write off. And how much is there in this? That is 30,000. Is that clear? Now, what I have told you, we don't have sufficient balance of the security premium reserve. Then what to do? What to do? I'll use statement of P&L. Okay. So this is statement of profit and loss account debited by how much? Although I don't have any balance given in the question, but that is the rule. All right. Is the entry clear? Yes. Sachin, are you getting? Yes. Hasim, are you understanding this? Dhruv Tomar, did you understand? A little bit, because you didn't watch the classes now where this has come from. Have you understood this concept? See, loss on issue of debenture is debited, okay? And security premium reserve, at the time of issue this arises, that's your gain. अब मैथमेटिकली आप क्या कर सकते हैं? प्लस माइनस से करते हैं. मान लीजिए आपके पास कोई 30,000 रुपीज है, इसमें से आपको 20 लेना है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? 20 माइनस कर देंगे, आपके पास 10,000 बच जाता है. बट इन अकाउंटेंसी दिस डजंट हैपन. वी हैव टू यूज द डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट. ओके. सो दिस वाज डेबिटेड, सो आई हैव क्रेडिटेड इट, एंड दीस थिंग्स आर क्रेडिटेड, सो वी हैव डेबिटेड. यस. And further it is asking how to show in the balance sheet. Students, tell me first, yes everyone, debenture is a part of asset side or liability side? Liability side, okay. So you can say this is our revision class also. Where the liability side starts, which heading is on the top? Equity and liability. Are you getting? Yes, sir. Equity and liability. Now we'll talk about the debentures. Debentures are your long term or short term? Where this comes. So this is a part of your current liability or non-current liability? Non-current liability. Under which heading? We have 4 or 5 headings under which. So which heading? लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग और शॉर्ट टर्म? ऑफ कोर्स नॉन करेंट लायबिलिटीज में आपका लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग आएगा. ओके. सो यू कैन सी इन योर बुक debentures. See, they didn't show the debentures. Here we have to show the treatment of this writing off. Okay. So we have the security premium reserve, equity and liability side, shareholders fund. Security premium reserve आपका किस में आता है? Shareholders fund में आता है. So we don't have to show it here, because when we prepare the balance sheet, just at the end, what is the position? This is very important, students. Listen carefully. See, so many transactions takes place during the year. As we have done the chapter of issue of share also. You issue the shares, okay? Issue the share, then you call certain money. Some people they pay the whole amount, some people they don't pay, calls in area, some people they pay advance. This we have done. Those who don't pay, we forfeit the share. Later on, we can reissue the shares, okay, at certain discount amount, so and so. So, which position is shown in the balance sheet? The final position, just at the end. Are you getting? So that is the final position we show in the balance sheet. Otherwise, we have so many ups and downs in the year. So we don't depict everything. We show the final results, end results of the business we show in the balance sheet. So in the same way in this question, Lavish, although the points I have told you, that is correct. Your debentures are shown in the non-current liabilities, and where long-term borrowing. And what other thing comes in the long-term borrowing? Your bank loan, which you have taken for a long time period. Revise the things. Now, in this question, what are the end results? See, we have the balance in security premium reserve 10,000. But do we have remained this amount as an end result? Do we have this now, or we have utilized it? बोलो बेटा, अपने पास क्वेश्चन में ये बचा हुआ है या खत्म हो गया है? बचा हुआ है. Very good. Very good. 10 times I have told you that we have security premium 10,000. It is not sufficient. I have used it, and then I have used the statement of P&L. Either I don't have the profit in statement of P&L, होता है ना, पहले का अपने पास कोई profit रखा है. This is the problem. Your basics are somewhere else. Your basics are not clear. Concepts are not clear to you people. Profit and loss का debit and credit balance पढ़ा था आपने? Yes. Even in 12th standard we have done. Profit and loss का credit balance shows that you have a profit. Debit balance shows that you have a loss. So in this question, do we have any profit and loss credit balance? आपको कोई पहले का प्रॉफिट दे रखा है क्या? नहीं दे रखा. ठीक है, आपके पास सिर्फ सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व है 10,000 का, दैट्स ऑल. वो आपने यूज कर लिया. ठीक है, फिर आपने कहाँ से यूज करना है? स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L अकाउंट को डेबिट करेंगे. ओके, अगर मेरे पास कोई पहले से मान लीजिए प्रॉफिट दे रखा होता तो मैं इसको यूज कर लिया, द एंट्री वुड हैव बीन द सेम, बट बैलेंस शीट पे उसका इफेक्ट पड़ता. ठीक है, नाउ यू कैन लुक एट द बैलेंस शीट. बैलेंस शीट में आपने दिखाया शेयर होल्डर्स फंड, रिजर्व एंड surplus. Why I have written reserve and surplus? You might be thinking this is a chapter of depreciation where this comes from. Profit and loss statement of P&L मैंने क्या किया है? डेबिट किया है, जबकि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था. तो दिस शोज योर लॉस. आपके पास कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं है, बट सर्टेन एक्सपेंसेस आर मैंडेटरी. चार्ज ऑन द प्रॉफिट. डू यू रिमेंबर समथिंग? 11th का कुछ याद आ रहा है? सुना हुआ याद आ रहा है? चार्जेस एंड एप्रोप्रिएशन वी हैव डन एट द टाइम ऑफ योर पार्टनरशिप ऑल्सो. Okay, so these are the charges on the profit. That's mandatory. Either you have a profit or you don't have. You have to show. हमने शो कर दिया तो 20,000 का आपका लॉस हो जाता है वो. So you can see here reserve and surplus, note number 1, and they have shown 20,000 negative balance. Right? Now reach at the note number 1. That's reserve and surplus. Look at your book now. Reserve and surplus. What are the parts of reserve and surplus? Security premium reserve, general reserve, debenture redemption reserve, right? Investment fluctuation reserve, and credit balance of the P&L. All these things are there. So we were having 10,000 rupees in the security premium reserve. Yes. Just look into your book. Do we have given? And what we have done? This is security premium reserve is given of 10,000. Then I have used this money to write off loss on issue of debenture. How much? 10,000. So its balance is nil. Have you understood? Here we are learning how to show in the balance sheet. security premium reserve is a part of your reserve and surplus. I have prepared the note of reserve and surplus. Okay, and then you have shown the security premium reserve, and we have reduced. I mean, we have utilized this for writing of loss on issue of debenture. So its balance is nil. Understood that? Now 20,000 more I have used. Look into your book. It's telling that surplus, that's balance in statement of P&L. Did we have any surplus of the profit given in the question, students? So I'm removing this one and surplus that's given in the statement of profit and loss account. कोई surplus दिया है आपको question में? नहीं दिया है. तो nil surplus. Okay. And what I have done? Look into your book. 20,000 आपने use किया है किस तरह से? Loss on issue of debenture. Right? You have used this 20,000 in your statement of P&L. You have shown to write off your loss on issue of debenture. Okay, so use that. Opening stock आपका nil हो जाता है. Then loss on issue of debenture 20,000. Okay, so this is your negative balance. Have you understood? Yes, ma'am. So this 20,000 negative balance that you have shown here, reserve and surplus. Have you understood? Yes. In the chapter of debenture, how we have reached the reserve and surplus? Yes. So I just give you the brief because this is only the thing which was remaining. So I give you the brief. Students, first we use the security premium reserve if it is given, then general reserve if you have, and if you don't have these things, then we have to write off the loss on issue of debenture in that particular year only from the statement of P&L. If you have the profit and loss given in the question, we utilize that, and if you don't have, then the balance of your profit and loss statement of P&L will go in the negative, and that is a part of reserve and surplus mein aayega. So I'm taking one of the illustration, this kind of illustration, so all the points will be clear. Yes, illustration number 42. May I have your attention, please? Illustration number 42. Those who are staying at home, just go through the illustration number 42 carefully. Pilot Pen Limited issued 5,006% debenture of rupees 100 each at a discount of 20%. Okay, it had balance in security premium reserve rupees 60,000 and 10,000 in surplus. That is balance in statement of P&L. Okay. Now profit for the year before writing of balance of discount on issue of debenture is 20,000. Okay. Now show the notes to accounts writing of the discount on issue of debentures. Fine. Yes. So first we have to calculate what amount comes in the loss on issue of debenture. Okay. The entry is telling Pilot Pen Limited issued 5,006% debenture of rupees 100 each at a discount of 20%. Okay. And they didn't give the condition of its redemption, so and so. Fine. So what is the entry of issue? Yes. Bank account debit to debenture application. How much you will be receiving? How many debentures? Yes, I'm asking you. Have you gone through the question? How many debentures it's issuing? 5,000 debentures. What is the face value? 100 rupees. What is the amount of discount? How much? 20%. 20% means 20 rupees. So how much you will be receiving? Number of debentures are 5,000. You will be receiving 80 rupees. All right. So if you don't pass the entry, no problem, because here we have to find out what loss on issue of debenture. Fine. Next entry will be your debenture application account debit. This will be your discount on issue of debenture account debit to 6% debenture. We do the entry like this. Fine. So we are confined to this amount in this question. As they didn't ask the journal entry, so there is no need to do that. I'm just trying to make you understand. So what amount comes in the discount? Can you tell me? How comes 1 lakh? 5,000 is the number of debenture and 20% means per debenture 20 rupees discount we are giving. Okay. So 5,000 into 20, this is 1 lakh rupees. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 lakh rupees comes in this discount on issue of debenture. Students, this is very, very important to know all the concepts, because if you calculate this amount wrong, so whatever you will show in the balance sheet, that will be wrong itself, and when you will write off, so that will be wrong. Okay. So 1 lakh is clear how we have calculated. Now understand the question once again. What we have, this 1 lakh we have to write off in this year. Is that clear, students? We have to write off this amount in this year only. And the question is telling we have balance in security premium reserve. How much balance is given? 60,000. How much balance? 60,000. And 10,000 in surplus balance in statement of P&L. It's very, very important to understand the language. It means, this surplus means, yes, this surplus means what? You have already in the balance sheet, I mean previous years, ये आपके पास 10,000 जैसे सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व रखा है, ऐसे ही 10,000 रुपीज आपके पास रखा है सरप्लस पिछले साल का बचा हुआ प्रॉफिट में, and where it is being shown security premium. Is that clear? So how much profit I have, I mean how much, not profit, how much amount I have which I can use for writing off this discount on issue of debenture carrying from the previous year. 60 plus 10, 70,000. Ajay, are you understanding? 60,000 is in the security premium reserve and 10,000 in the surplus statement of P&L. Are you clear? 70,000 है हमारे पास. Okay. Now what? Just go through it. Balance. Okay, fine. Profit for the year before writing off balance of discount on issue of debenture is 20,000. Here it is talking about the present year. कि डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर को राइट ऑफ करने से पहले का प्रॉफिट कितना है? हाउ मच प्रॉफिट इज गिवन? 20,000 इज द प्रॉफिट ऑफ दिस करेंट ईयर बिफोर राइटिंग ऑफ द डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर. तनु, have you understood this? So how much I am carrying from the previous year? 60,000 was in the security premium and 10,000 was the surplus. It was 70,000 and this is my current year's profit, 20,000. It is given. So how much I have to write off? The amount available. How much I have? Tanu, how much? 90,000. How much I require? 1 lakh. Okay. So if I don't have, from where I will cover? In the previous question we have done. From where? Statement of P&L. Okay. So let me pass its entry. What to do? Well, we are utilizing all these and having credit balances. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Credit balance है. तो इनको यूज करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट बाय 60,000 surplus balance in statement of P&L account debit, that is 10,000, okay, to log, that is discount on issue of debenture. How much? Discount on loss, discount on issue of debenture, how much? 1 lakh. surplus was 10,000 only. Okay. One more thing. What is that? Which I didn't write. Profit. 20,000. ठीक है? 20,000 आपका profit है. ठीक है? How much I have now? Goods total. This I will be covering from statement of profit and loss account. That's 10. Okay. Before preparing this balance sheet, it should be clear that what we are going to do in balance sheet. Okay. So how much negative balance your balance sheet will be showing in reserve and surplus? Because this amount we have. This is from the previous year, this is from the previous year, this is current year's profit, and now I don't have profit, so I will be covering from statement of P&L and this will be your negative balance. Is that okay? Understood? Now how to show in the balance sheet? Just have a look in your book. They have prepared the note only. Okay, they are also doing the shortcut like me. Note number 1. What comes? Reserve and surplus. Okay. What is given in the reserve and surplus first? The balance of security in reserve. Opening balance is given 60,000 and you have utilized this to write off discount on issue of debenture. That is nil. Fine. And then what you have? You have surplus balance in statement. Okay. Surplus का opening balance आपको दे रखा है कितना? 10,000. Fine. And during this year, how much is there during this year? 20,000. ठीक है? तो कितना आ गया total? 30,000. Okay. So this you have used to write off your discount on issue of debenture, 30,000. This comes nil. Even we can say that we show this amount in the statement of P&L only. So we have covered this 40,000, so 10,000 comes in the negative. Just have a look in your balance sheet here. Surplus balance in statement of P&L 10,000 is given. Plus क्या किया है? Profit for the year before writing of discount. That's 20,000. Total कितना हो गया? 30,000. And how much they have utilized? 40,000 जो balance था. तो 10,000 आपका negative आ गया. Have you understood the concept? So this way we have completed this chapter, and if they ask you to prepare the account, so easily we can prepare because we know the journal entries and all that. Okay. So today we have winded up this chapter. Okay, so complete all the illustrations and back questions, and tomorrow will be the day of discussing the problem. If you have any problem, we can discuss that, and the day after tomorrow we will start next chapter either of accounts or PST. Okay. Thank you.